All right, now just sometimes, just the way the numbers work out, you will not be able to factor them. If you can't factor them, we have to use the quadratic formula from before. That's right on your page right there. So if you look at the -3, if you look up and down that diagonal line, you will not see a -5. It just ain't there. Okay? So to do this problem here, we're going to have to use the quadratic formula. And this is going to be a little messy. It'll actually be less work than before, but a little messy. Let's write out the formula. And I want to stress something here is that over the past week or so, I've seen some people miss this negative sign out front. You got to remember to put this negative sign there, or that'll just make that value out front come out the opposite that it should. Okay, so I'm going to fill in the numbers. This is A, B, and C, 1, -3, and -5. So that's -3. Hang on, I can put the A equals 1, B equals -3, and C equals -5. Just put it up there. Okay, so I have B is -3, and follow along with my formula up there to the right. A is 1, C is -5, and 2 times 1 here. So a -3 is 3. -3 times -3 is 9. That's going to be minus -20 over 2. And believe it or not, I just have one more step here. Okay, I'm just going to do this in here. 9 minus -20 is 29. And that's my final answer. That's my final answer because this 29 has nothing that will go into it. Nothing, no squares that go into it, okay? Or you can push that in, it just gives you a decimal. So, and it's in the item specs for your EOC test that an answer could just look like this if it doesn't factor properly. So we can go ahead and do that. It's kind of awesome. Okay, so let me see what we got here. There's a couple more problems here. Both of those use the quadratic formula. You can check and see if they factor, but they don't. And go ahead and try those out, and I'll catch up with you for the back in a minute.